On July 14th, this is after the trading day, and I wanted to show you how the day ended up on that particular bear call spread. So after I took the loss, the market continued to rally up, getting pretty close to my strike price, but it tailed off right here at this mid pivot point, almost exactly at that pivot point. But the market looks like it wanted to fill this gap right here. And later, I found out that the Fed had kind of promised that they aren't going to raise rates as severely as some people feared, which kind of caused this rally. I didn't see that news, um, but it's a story of how news can definitely affect the market. It's a gap fill story. It's a pivot point story. All of these things kind of played in today. But it definitely rallied straight into the area that I said I was going to get out at, and I got out, followed the rules, and I'm very happy that I did. This was probably maybe a 20% loss on the capital that I put up for the trade, but it's totally fine because if you see a couple bars later, I've got another call spread, bear call spread that I did for the next day. That'll make probably about half of the money back that I lost if this is successful. And then tomorrow I can just put in, one or two more trades to get back to even and back to green as well. So it's a numbers game. I'd rather take this small loss and make up for it, later than risk having a total loss or a very large loss that's going to take me forever to try to recover from, risking, a blowout, and there's nothing I can do about it. Once your trade is too far gone, once you kind of get past the point of no return, if the market turns against you, there's nothing you can do really. I mean, it's gone. The money's gone, and it ain't coming back. And you're just left there hoping that the market reverses, and then you're smoking hopium. And I don't want to do that. I want to maintain control of my trading. So taking this small loss allowed me to maintain control, maintain composure, not start sweating, not start hoping, all this kind of stuff, biting my nails. Take this loss, reposition, get into another better trade now that you have new information, now that there's a market shift. Just get into another trade and make this little bit of money back. And that's what I did. And I'm happy that I did so. It didn't have my heart falling out of my chest or anything like that. Which really, if you have those feelings, you're probably trading with too much money. So even if I did ride this, I mean, I wouldn't have been happy, but I wouldn't have been, depressed or anything like that. But um, this small loss, I didn't even think about at all. So, um, like I said, I'm going to make half of that back here. If this trade is successful, hopefully it is. Of course, you don't know. But the odds are in my favor, as you see, for the rest of the week. Most of all these lines are green. I've only got two red lines, and I've got like nine green trades so far this week. So odds are good, right? So you want to maintain control. This allows you to maintain control of your trading, follow your rules, keep your composure, don't stress about it. Losses are part of the game, they happen. And they're actually good. Like I said, you're going to have them, so you might as well keep them small. Um, so we'll see what tomorrow brings, but I just wanted to show that even though this trade would have worked out, you should be happy to take this loss so that you can maintain control. If I didn't take this loss, then it's up to the market whether my trade works out or not. It's not up to me anymore, right? So maintain control, maintain composure. If the market does what you don't think that it should be doing, get out and reposition with the new information. Um, so just wanted to kind of show that, and thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.